Navneet joins in with a list of all the stocks in news. Morning, Navneet.
Morning, Megha. Well, keep an eye on Reliance Industries. Well, there's no respite coming in there for the company when it comes to the falling national gas output from the KG-D6 block. Well, as per the recent status report by DGH, the national gas output from the KG-D6 block has fallen to an all-time low of about 15.5 MMSCMD after the company shut its 9th well for reservoir build-up study. Remember, prior to this, company has already shut about 8 wells due to high volume of water and sand ingress. Well, keep an eye on Reliance Industries. In yesterday's trading session, it was down by about 1%, and currently the counter is trading below all its key moving averages like 250 and 20-day moving average. Well, moving on to Dr. Reddy's, it has intimated that company has recalled some tablets from US market. The tablet is used as a muscle relaxant, and there were some labeling issues because of which the company has recalled these tablets. Keep an eye on Dr. Reddy's in today's trading session. Alongside, you have Berger Paints, where the offer for sale is scheduled for today. If you look at the price, the floor price set by the company is about 185 rupees per share, and yesterday's closing was about 195. So the floor price is about close to 5% discount which the company has offered. And if you look at the return of Berger Paints on YTD basis, good returns coming in there, about 22% outperforming the markets, and some recheck coming in the mid-cap index, in the NSE Midcap Index, where NSE has dropped future retail and included JSW Energy. These changes will be with effect from April 17, that is coming Monday. Keep an eye on both these counters. They could react to these changes. And lastly, keep an eye on PTC India Financial, where the company has sanctioned about 1,032 crore for 9 energy projects, where the company is looking to diversify in energy value chain. On YTD basis, the stock of PTC India Financial is down by about 23%.